Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the Chrome remote desktop on an iPhone. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Chrome remote desktop right here website at remotedesktop.google.com. That's going to open up this main page, and from this home page we can get started. You're going to see two buttons, the one that says access my computer, that's going to enable you to securely access your computer whenever you're away, or the share my screen option that's going to enable you to share your screen. So as you can see, once you go ahead and click on them, it's going to take you to the next page. From where you can get started resetting up remote access, downloading the program, and so on. And this is how to get started. So once you've downloaded and installed Chrome remote desktop and want to use it with your iPhone, this is what we can do. So as you can see here, we have an official article on the official support Google website on how to access another computer with Chrome remote desktop. And if you scroll down a bit, you can find the iPhone and iPad section. So what I suggest for you to do is go to Google Chrome help and find this article and find the iPhone section right here. That's going to show us what we need to do. So on your iPhone or iPad, you're going to open up the Chrome remote desktop application that you have downloaded from the App Store. If you do not have it, you can go to the section right here to this website, and then you can click to find the remote access option, click the button, enter the pin, click the arrow to continue, and this is how to go ahead and successfully use Chrome remote desktop with your iPhone. If you need any more help, go right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.